With the market rallying to take in even more investments, is it possible now for Dogecoin to reach $5,000? Make sure to watch this video till the very end because we will also be revealing what Edward Snowden has rather warned about, the crypto, and given enormous price predictions. So stay with us till the end of the video to learn everything about Dogecoin. Welcome back to Facts. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the pros and warnings that we are receiving from the most popular Edward Snowden. These warnings directly direct the massive price pull of Dogecoin, so what's the wait for? Make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notifications to never miss out on any new update from us. It's the comment of the day's time. Let's see what our viewer has to say about Dogecoin. Well, Mr. Gilberto Medrano's comment has undoubtedly become the highlight of the day. He says, investing in crypto now should be on every wise individual's list. In some months' time, you will be ecstatic with the decision you made today. Don't we all agree with him? Let us know your views in the comments below. Before directly jumping into the video, please note that the market is extremely volatile. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the token prices would have changed to a whole new dimension. In addition to this, the information shared in this video does not in any manner intend to be taken as a piece of financial or investment advice. This video is for informative purposes only. You are requested to conduct your diligent research or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. If you are a crypto market enthusiast and have been following crypto news, then you might already know the upcoming Bitcoin price rally. This rally is expected to be one of the greatest and the largest ones, which would likely push the token's price to its ultimate target at $100,000. This is one of the most important catalysts working for Dogecoin right now. On top of this, did you know Bitcoin is now a legal tender? If not, then this is the must-know thing, and this is also exactly where Edward Snowden comes in. El Salvador became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as the legal tender, throwing a googly at the central bankers across the globe. Apart from Bitcoin, the US dollar will also work simultaneously as the legal tender in that country. The same started legal work from the 7th of September 2021. Till now, Bitcoin was in talks to become the global reserve currency. However, to become a legal tender was something completely out of the blue, but astonishingly great for this token. It may be purchased and traded in places where Bitcoin is legal. It can even be taxed and controlled, but it mainly considered itself a different asset class. There was nonetheless no equivalent to a recognized and issued currency per se, fiat or government or central bank. A legal token is something recognized by the legislation of the country to settle your public and private debt, or to purchase goods and services in the country, or to satisfy your financial obligations. Now let us talk about what Edward Snowden has to say about this. If you don't know who this man in spectacles is, then you are certainly missing all the fun here. Edward Joseph Snowden was a former computer intelligence consultant born on 21st June 1983, who got famous after he leaked some highly classified information from the National Security Agency in 2013. This was the time when he was only an employee and a subcontractor for the Central Intelligence Agency. His story is quite interesting. In short, in 2013, he was hired by an ASA contractor and in the initial days of employment, started to showcase ethical concerns through internal channels. After this, he flew to Hong Kong, leaving his job, and leaked thousands of classified NSA documents to journalists. Indeed, this man has an exciting background. If you wish to learn more about Snowden in our videos, make sure to mention it in the comments. On Bitcoin being adopted, Edward Snowden tweeted, "Today, Bitcoin was formally recognized as legal tender in its first country. Beyond the headlines, there is now pressure on competing nations to acquire Bitcoin, even if only as a reserve asset, as its design massively incentivizes early adoption. Latecomers may regret hesitating." With this, Edward clearly showcases his views that after El Salvador, nations might be in the FOMO and might as well accept, or at least start making provisions to accept Bitcoin. This is huge because it is kind of the truth. There are possibilities that Bitcoin, after attaining a certain level, will have its volatility reduced considerably, and that would be the time when nations can actually think of taking in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. However, what does this talk about Dogecoin? Dogecoin directly follows the pathway of Bitcoin, So if by any means Bitcoin goes up considerably, Dogecoin will follow the lead and travel to its highest. There are rumors, and many crypto analysts have been talking about the Dogecoin price updates and rallies. So it appears that it is not far when we will see Dogecoin rise back up towards its all-time highs. Also, it wasn't only Edward Snowden who had something to say about Bitcoin and El Salvador. Even Bank of America regards Bitcoin as legal money for El Salvador as a good opportunity. Bitcoin may be used as a cross-border transportation middleman. By using Bitcoin for transfers, the transaction costs might be reduced by comparison with the conventional transfers, the bank said in early August. In June, the major investment bank JP Morgan predicted that El Salvador's move would be the start of a larger trend amongst similarly smaller countries. Well, we can already see a lot of Bitcoin potential positive catalysts, and this would be just amazing for Dogecoin's price in the coming future. Well, focusing next towards Dogecoin, we have some major news coming in. Yes, we are likely to witness the next significant Dogecoin update, the development that will link Dogecoin to Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, the Dogecoin and Ethereum bridge. This bridge will allow investors to send Dogecoin from the Dogecoin blockchain to the Ethereum blockchain after converting them into Doge tokens. These tokens will be able to interact with different exchanges, like the decentralized platforms, before returning to the Doge blockchain as Dogecoin through the Doge Ethereum bridge. This will enable much more Doge transactions to take place per second than previously feasible. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin is playing a role in creating the Doge ETH bridge. Buterin's active participation with the meme cryptocurrency might be positive in and of itself too. This information was delivered by the youngest billionaire and the co-founders of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, and the man leading the Dogecoin Ethereum bridge, Oscar Ginsberg. Furthermore, we also have some personal suggestions from the Ethereum co-founder, Vitalik Buterin, that wants to be happening with Dogecoin and the meme cryptocurrency's cooperation with Ethereum. Well, this isn't the first time we have seen Vitalik Buterin be in support of creating and upgrading Dogecoin. Previously, the young co-founder had intended and encouraged Dogecoin development. As a part of the current Dogecoin and Ethereum bridge, Buterin, in his tweet, shared his thoughts as a part of a Twitter experiment, which he was conducting with only 268 people. Only these people can ask him questions relating to the update. On these questions, Vitalik Buterin replied with regard to proof of stake and proof of work that he personally believes that Dogecoin can switch to the proof of stake system sooner, and that may also be possible by the Ethereum code. He also hopes that the $5 billion per year annual proof of work issuance doesn't get cancelled. Instead, if it can be put into some kind of DAO that funds global public goods, it would fit well with Dogecoin's non-greedy, wholesome ethos. Well, Vitalik does have a valid point here. With the bridge connecting Dogecoin to Ethereum, there are higher possibilities that Dogecoin's proof-of-work protocol can be changed to a proof-of-stake one. In that case, the meme currency will complete its upgradation in a rather comprehensive manner. On top of which, Elon Musk is also working on upgrading Dogecoin's transaction system, which would lower the transaction fee for the token. Overall, this is rather a massive catalyst for Dogecoin if Vitalik is successful. Dogecoin is likely to hit higher both in terms of its market value and its price trajectory. Let's now look into Dogecoin's price prediction. Doge is trading at 20 cents with a red of 1.26% change in the last 24 hours. However, this certainly does not indicate the higher price mark that the currency is about to experiment with within the coming month. We believe this is rather the best time to invest in Dogecoin to maximize returns. Firstly, the token will have to close decisively above its critical resistance at 25 cents and 30 cents respectively to validate a better and strong uptrend. However, there are higher possibilities for Doge to slip to its lower support levels at 15 cents. You can either buy the dip here or at lower levels, but make sure to keep watching the market because Doge can turn around any day. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the post notification and leave a comment below so that you never miss the chance to get the next shoutout. Till then, keep watching Facts.